Hi, this is Amir Ali Alibhai from the Aga Khan Museum, and I'm happy to welcome you to At the Aga Khan Museum. Today, we are going to view the first episode of a docuseries. You know, if you ask what we've been up to the last few months, you might be wondering during this pandemic, as we've stopped having live shows, what we've been doing. This is our opportunity to share that with you. In May of 2020, we were supposed to have a concert by the renowned Sindhi Sarangi player Lakha Khan from Rajasthan. And due to the pandemic, that was impossible. So we started to think, what can we do? We thought, well, here's an opportunity, to turn the model on its end. Normally, we are bringing artists from rural places, from places around the world, and putting them on a stage in Toronto, and forcing them to perform in frankly a Western format, on a stage with seated people in the audience. And we started to think, well, what can we do to kind of change that perspective? Maybe it would be cool to go to where the artists are. And that was kind of one of the ideas that sparked this docu-series that you're about to see. So we started a conversation. I started a conversation with Amar Ras Records, or Amar Ras Society, Ankur Malhotra and Ashutosh Sharma. Amar Ras Records is based in New Delhi. And so we started to talk about their journey. How did they find Lakha Khan? And the story was so interesting, we really thought it would make the great basis for a docuseries. We started to talk about what this docuseries would be called, and we came up with the title, Searching for the Blues. Now, you may think that that's kind of weird, searching for the blues in India, Rajasthan, Sindhi Sarangi. What has that got to do with the blues? I think you'll agree, after you have a chance to see this first episode, that maybe the blues is more than just a particular style of music. Maybe it's not just B.B. King, maybe it's not just Billie Holiday, maybe there's a broader definition, a more universal definition. And I think that you'll find that this idea that the blues are really something about the human condition, that reflect everyday life, the hardships of life, that certainly comes through in this episode. So sit back and enjoy this first episode of Searching for the Blues. Let's join Ankur and Ashutosh on their journey through Rajasthan as they discover many different artists, but especially the magical moment when they meet Lakha Khan. And I think you'll see why Lakha Khan is the focus of this docuseries.
हाँ जी, एक बुकिंग हुई पड़ी होगी सादा ट्रैवल से। हाँ जी, तो मैं अब 12 साढ़े 12 तक पहुँचूँगा। ठीक है, खाने में कुछ मिलेगा?
Rajasthani sushi, you said? Cool. There's been a time when we've had to chase down the guard to get this opened.
Where does the story begin? Yes, Ashu and I go back decades, and it's been a shared history growing up, a shared journey, and that has involved a lot of music as part of it. And growing up, we grew up with the same frustrations, right? There's music around you. It's mostly Bollywood. It's a little bit of the classical music, some of the famous names, but we were always left searching for something more authentic, something more real.
Through the travel company, we were dealing with these artists, और उनको टिकट देने मेरा colleague गया तो उसने उनकी practice हो रही थी. So he basically called me and we heard the music on the phone. Eventually we realized that that's great music. So that drove us mainly curiosity क्योंकि अभी उस time तक we didn't know who the Manganiyas were. And generally we knew these are Rajasthani musicians, desert musicians and so on. And that's when I went in for my first trip into Rajasthan, and that's when I realized it was like going down the delta. Only thing it was like in Rajasthan and it was the desert. Each village had this great musician who had a very different sound from the next. Basically a jaw drop with like every village having a gem. It was like that.
Tepu.
ये टेपू को रास्ता टेपू को रास्ता कौन सा है?
टेपू
हाँ
टेपू ये रोड सीधा चला था, इस साइड में टर्न ले ले।
ठीक,
रोड आएगी।
थैंक यू,
ओके बाय
बाय।
How old is this Kamacha?
ये कमाचा कितना पुराना है जाकिर जी?
बहुत पुराना सर, बहुत पुराना।
कितने लगभग कितने साल?
साकू याद नहीं। साकू है कोई? पक्की साकू।
लगभग कितने साल पुराना?
मेरे
आपके
दादा परदादा तक तो बना था, बस तो कभी मेरा कभी।
तो परदादा के पहले का जमाने का है?
हाँ।
It's from before his great grandfather's time. That's all. He doesn't know how old it is beyond that, but he remembers it from his great grandfather's time.
So the music of the Manganyars, music of the Mirasis, the music of the Langas, music of these desert communities has been performed for centuries, typically for the landowners, the Yajman, their patrons, the local patrons, and there were also the kings and queens. But as those patronage structures have declined, as challenges of urbanization, modernization have encroached upon these ways of living and ways of being, we are losing something that is intangible, because these are oral histories. And a lot of this music, a lot of this song has been passed on father to son, and with some of these last masters who are keepers of songbooks, keepers of entire tomes of history for families, for regions, for their communities, will disappear forever unless we did something to capture them, to record them.
Rona to puna to mendhara
जटानो जट एक लजारी काठ के ओ भी लजारी धट मारे करना मट म्या ओ मुर्सन हुओ में दरा ठीक रह गयो कृष्ण जी का मीनार
Yeah, so as we drove from village to village, mostly in western Rajasthan, we would find these master musicians. Some of these musicians had never played out of their villages, yet others had toured around the world. Masters such as the late Padma Shri Sakar Khanji, who is the Grandmaster of the Kamaicha, Surdas of the Manganyars, late Nihal Khanji, the dhol player, one of the very few female musicians out there from the community, the late Rukma Bai. In fact, when we were working on our second compilation of field recordings called Banko Ghodo, we heard the news that Rukma Bai had passed away.
50 साल और गांव रामसर तहसील रामसर and post office रामसर जिला बांड रुकमा देवी जी रुकमा बाई गाय कलाकार दोनों पता से दिखला
It suddenly became real and urgent with musicians dying, and till now we just finished a recent trip recording doing these recording with Lakha Khanji in March. That we landed up meeting Nihal ji and recorded him then, and he's passed away just a month ago. So sadly, probably the last recording of him now. So there's been this perpetual urgency and race against time about what all, how much can you record, absorb, and get it out. Because these songbooks and these musicians are dying, and the younger generation, we have to keep something for them.
So, who is Lakha Khan?
वो लाखा जी 8 बजे आएंगे घर पे और वापस जमा मेरे घर पे। लेट हो रहा है। लाखा जी 8 बजे आएंगे। 8 बजे आएंगे।
I just heard this man's name, and yeah, there's a player by the name of Lakha Khan. He plays this instrument called the sarangi. I didn't even know it was the Sindhi sarangi at that point. And yeah, all the stories that I'd heard from Ashu and from other musicians, that he was a difficult man to work with. He may not be willing to play, or there will be negotiations. That did not deter us at all. In fact, that intrigued us even more to go and find out who is Lakha Khan. What does he play?
When he finally played, I realized, I mean, it was a different level of sound and the music. It just kind of just got me immediately. It was, and you had tears in your eyes basically during that recording, and it still gives me goosebumps to think about then, or even now whenever we sit with Lakha Khan.
तुलसी क्या करूं, तुलसी बन को घास, मर्जी हुई भगवान की, भगवान गए जब बन गए तुलसीदास। घी देने गोदे लेना श्री रघुनाथ। अपनी जटा से रजी झड़कावे आए रजी झड़कावे अपनी जटा से रजी झड़कावे मुख पर फेरे हाथ घी देने गोदे लेनो रघुनाथ। तुलसीदास आया सारुगी बरी की तुलसीदास आशा रुघी बरगी दशरथ जैसे खात घी देने गोदे लीनो रघुनाथ। रघुवंशी रघुनाथ रघुवंशी रघुनाथ। श्री रामचंद्र जी महाराज का है। तुलसी तुलसी क्या करो तुलसी बन के घास, मर्जी हुई भगवान की जब बन गए तुलसीदास। दया धर्म को मूल है पाप मूल अभिमान, तुलसी दया न छोड़िए जब लग अपने प्राण है जहाँ तक। किसी की ऐसी नहीं हिम्मत है वो ईश्वर से बाहर होकर के अपनी हिम्मत चलाए, किसी की नगाली है क्या? उसकी दया उसकी दया। नाम तो लाखा ही है। अच्छा सिर्फ बोलने लाखा। हम जाति के मंगनियारी रानी जी गांव है,
लाखों में एक है वो इलाका है
लाखा। तो मेरा पिताजी के नाम थारू जी, ये गांव इससे विलेज नेम है रानी जी। गांव पोस्ट रानी जी, ये पोस्ट ऑफिस है। आगे पूरी बंद है। और सारंगी बजाना सीख जाए तो इसमें इतना साज अच्छा है, इसमें लो जवाब है, दुनिया उसको पूजने लग जाए। और अभी तक सीख नहीं रही है, इसीलिए मुझे टेंशन बहुत है, क्योंकि अब उम्र आती रहती है, जवानी हो तो वो ऐसे ही करे कि उसको सिखाए उसको सिखाए, सीखने वाला नज़दीक नहीं आता है, मेरी उम्र आ रही है। तो इसीलिए टेंशन हो रहा है कि मेरे साथ में जो कला है वो कला कोई ले नहीं पा रहा है, इसीलिए इस बात का मुझे बहुत टेंशन है।
And when we came across Lakha Khan, he was a man who truly had the blues. He was singing the blues. You could sense that. You could sense the pain and this sadness in his powerful voice. So there was something magical about that, which he was communicating his sense of urgency, his plea. He was perhaps the last in a long lineage, 7 generations of players of this beautiful instrument, the Sindhi Sarangi, and his sons hadn't taken on this instrument. They hadn't learnt it, and he was worried that was he going to be the last player of this instrument. He was a worried man, and he was singing the worried blues.
बुल्ले शाह और शाह फरीद साथ में चले हैं, तो बुल्ले शाह ने कहा है कि तुम फरीदा पक्का नहीं है, तो कच्चा है, तो क्या करें। तो ये भट्ठा जल रहा है, ईंटें पड़ रही है, तो भट्ठे के विच जो आग है, आग बल रहा है, जो इसमें तू रह जा, पड़ जा अंदर, तो तू पक बजे। तो फरीद ने कहा मैं जाता हूँ। वो कपड़ा उतार के एक लंगोट मार के और जाके बैठ गया। वो धूल उठा के सिर पर डाल रहा है। गांव वाले कह गए हाय हाय बेचारा कैसा आदमी है, बेचारा मर जाएगा, जल जाएगा, क्या करें क्या करें। तो वो ऐसे करके उसको काफी कहते हैं, वो कलाम काफी। जाग फरीदा उठी सवेरे, आई झाड़ू दे मसीता, तू सुता तेरा रब जागदा है, तोरे डाढ़े नाल फरीता। जीत जीत ते उम्र गुजारी, सुन भी हाल फकीरी डाला, जीते दामुल चार कवडियां, हारे दामुल हीरा, हीरा विके ये लाख करोड़ा, कवडी मोलक सीरा ना। आखे बुलिया दिन हार न मनिए, अते बेमुर्शदा बेपीरा। मेरा मेरे मुराद मिलदा, मेरा मेरे मुराद मिलदा, एको हाल सुनावा दिलदा, मेरा मेरे मुराद। लब धूल मिट्टी सिर पावा, लब धूल मिट्टी सिर पावा, सारा नंगन मुझे जावा, कोई पूछना मेरे आजमला, पूछना न मेरे आलम खिलदा गया, उल्टा आलम खिलदा मेरा महर मुराद मिलदा। आया बारी बिरू सिर बारी, आया बारी बिरू सिर बारी, लगी आहू शहर फवारी, थोड़ी उम्र गुजार सारी है, मिलदा मैडम मेरी मुराद ना मिलदा है हाल सुनावा मिलदा
I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. And I want to invite you to come back next time when we view episode 2. Episode 2 is Lakha Khan, Keeper of India's Songbook. And this episode, we join Lakha Khanji at home in his village in Raneri with the house concert of some of his favorite songs. And it's quite a treat. I hope that you join us next time. And stay tuned now because we have some extra bonus footage for those of you who, like me, just really love this music. Enjoy.
सूद ने आज रो